Pare ikaw, ano masabi mo sa panalo natin?
Bet, binati kita! Binati kita!
Ikaw, ano masabi mo sa panalo natin?
Sweet is.
Ikaw, ano na-feel mo sa panalo natin?
Siyempre, wala na tayong masasabi dyan. Given na yun.
Given na ba? Given na.
Given na, basta makaka-gold tayo para sa bansa.
Let's go! Kayo, Coach, what do you feel?
It's better than sex.
Good, good. Ikaw, Teng, ano na-feel mo?
It's prophecy.
Ano na?
Prophecy.
Thank you.
Yay!
Cooperation. Hey guys, I know it was a big sacrifice for a lot of you. You're all stars in your own right. It's hard when you get a lot of really good players together on one team, but you really have to sacrifice for one another. You did a great job, so congratulations. Now you can go back to your own teams and play 30 minutes tonight. Let's have a good time tonight. You guys deserve it. You've been very disciplined this week. I think you've been very disciplined. Great. That's great. Very disciplined. It's all with the gold medal, guys, huh? Just so you know, guys, this is going to be the nucleus for the next national team. So you guys prove that you can play together. I expect to see you guys again representing the country in the future, and I think everybody in the Philippines has to be very proud of you right now. Very proud. Let's party. I need you guys in prayer. Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Lord, once again, thank you for giving us an opportunity to participate in SEA games. And we thank you for the most part for keeping us healthy. Hopefully, God well, very, very soon to continue playing. I'd like to thank you for empowering the coaching staff to do their best to try to help the team in the SEA games. And I hope that you can bless all these guys in the future.
And please, San Antonio,